tiny little rubber piece that goes in here. Just looking at it, it's really hard to figure out what the heck's going on. It's not obvious how it goes in. So let me show you. It's pretty simple. I want you to know that this flap goes over here. With that in place, and then this would be a lot easier without the door. So I would recommend next time to do this before you put the door on. So that goes on there, that goes on there. You have to get it lined up correctly. And then you can use a punch to find where the holes are and put the pins through that. I'll do that so it's held in place, and then I'll show you how to trim back the this part up front, because these always come long and then you have to trim them up in a special way. Alright, so to get this to lay down right, basically what we're going to do is cut this top flap, flush it with the dashboard all the way to here, and then cut the insides out of it, if that makes any sense. Like that. So now this can be pulled around like this, and see there's already a hole here. We'll attach that there. Now with that extra cut here, this can just fold under itself and get tacked in place. Then you have a nice clean edge.